I am still at the beach, y'all, and I'm finally walking out here today. We had some bad weather, but today it's like it didn't even happen. This is the perfect example of how the old folks say trouble don't last always. But I have really enjoyed this time out here with my mind and my thoughts, and God, and gonna be doing some more diamond painting today. I'm going to attempt those darn double-sided ornaments. I don't know how well that's gonna go because I feel like it's 4 but it's 8. We'll see when I pop those suckers open. But I just wanted to show you that crafting at home is beautiful, but crafting by the sea is a whole other experience to behold. You can get out here near God's waters. I would highly recommend you do so, and especially during this time of year. Just bring your proper shoes to walk in the sand. I have on my rain boots, which are perfect for this. I want some longer rain boots. If you have suggestions of where to buy really nice, like knee-high rain boots, put it in the comments. I'm totally in the market for some knee-high rain boots. Oh, somebody left a heart in the sand. Yes. Y'all, how beautiful. Phase 2. Be aware of your surroundings. So glad I didn't walk in on that heart so somebody else can see it too. Spread the love, y'all. But yeah, I'm in the market for some knee-high rain boots. If y'all have some favorite brands, let me know. Put it in the comments. Drop it in the comments. I'll do a review. Because I think this is my new favorite time of the year to come out to the beach. First of all, it's way cheaper. And secondly, if you're in North Carolina, the weather's cold, but it's not like blizzardry. I mean, sometimes we have our days, but like this weekend, y'all, this is bliss. I mean, I have on a coat and everything, but this is very comfortable. I'm not uncomfortable layer up, and just come out here during the off season. It's just better. People aren't crowded out here. Kids aren't running around acting foolish. It's just so much better out here. This is my new beach time. So we got to find a way to make wintertime full-time beach hopping, summertime full-time cruising, so we can get back to the core of what Pray Shop Cruise was meant to be, which was supposed to be a full-on cruise channel, but now it's like a crafty cruise channel, which is okay. But I want to get back to the water. I want to get back on the boat, y'all, but until then, there's nothing wrong with walking the sand. So thanks for listening to me yap, getting to know me. I'd love to get to know you. Email me at iteritv@gmail.com or prayshopcruise@gmail.com if you'd like to collaborate or just send me a kind word or reach out. I do send out Happy Mail to my followers personally. I don't do giveaways. I like to reach out to folks personally. So if you email me or we chat in the comments or whatever, be looking out. I may reach out to you to send you some Happy Mail on either channel. So I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. So let's get to some diamond painting. Lord have mercy. Okay, guys, it's nice to finally have a little light coming in from the window for today's diamond painting activity. So this is the diamond painting double-sided ornaments kit from Hobby Lobby. This was originally $4.49, $4.49, and I believe I purchased this for 40% off at the time. This was under the Valentine's Day crafts, but I'm just going to. It doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day. They're pretty hearts. I am going to most likely link these on the colossal diamond painting keychain that I'm slowly building. So they're double-sided, so oh my god, there's film on both sides, y'all. So this is going to take me a moment to finish these. Let's see. So it looks like they're using the same numbers across the board, I bet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Looks like we got some 6s. So really not complex, but there's film on both sides, so you have to complete both sides. And then we do have some sparkly diamonds, so these aren't dull like my other kits from Five Below and Dollar Tree. These are truly, truly sparkly. I love these. These are like the diamond art sparkly diamonds. Okay, where are my numbers? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm wondering what the best way to attack this is. Maybe do the number. So if I do 6 first, for instance, I don't think there's 6 on a lot of these. Just this one, front and back, because they didn't give us a lot of drills for 6. I think 6 is only on one of them. Yeah. So I think I'm going to start with this one. And start with the number 6. Sorry, I know I'm not in frame. I was looking at them myself. I was thinking about, should I do, like if I do the number 2s, should I do 2s for all of them? And then do the 3s for all of them and try to do all of them at the same time, front and back? Or just one front and back? Probably just one. All right, y'all. I got the whole day to do this. So wish me luck. I will show you the end results when it's over. These feel really good though. They're like acrylic. So these should be nice. All right, I'll come back when I'm done. So I didn't show the rest of the kit. The kit comes with the green boat, like at Dollar Tree. It comes with some ornament chains here that I most likely won't use. And it comes with some wax, which I will use. And it comes with the standard diamond painting tool here, which I'm going to, where to go? Put in my stash, because I won't be using this one. I think today I'm going to use this one from Hobby Lobby. And I'm not going to use this tray. I'm going to use my Hobby Lobby trays and get to sticking. These jewels, these diamonds, these drills, whatever you want to call them, are very pretty. Look at that. Look at that. So, oops. I just like to always show a couple of placements, just in case there was ever someone watching for the first time. I, of course, dipped my stylus into the wax to pick up the drill. Oops, the pad is sticky, so. Oops. Of course, what I'm trying to demonstrate, I'm not coordinated. I'm just putting these on the 6s. I am going to go ahead and do front and back when I do these numbers. I think that's the strategy. I've never done, I've never done diamond painting until this vacation week here. So I've been on a diamond painting marathon, but this is my first set where the items I'm doing are double-sided, which is a little intimidating to me, to be honest. This is a lot. And these look small. I'm gonna have to get into those crevices. Do I want to pull off the back? I guess I do. I think I do want to do the back while I do the front. But you guys see how small this is about to be, or how small those crevices are for those other numbers. I think my light up stylus has one of those extension pieces that curve down where you don't have to move your wrist as much. I gotta see. I was looking at that yesterday because I want to try that too. But this is basically the process. I'm probably out of frame because I'm not looking, but I always try to show a little bit of what I'm doing, just in case there was ever anyone who was like me. I know I'm not the only one, but I'm gonna finish the 6s, and then I may switch stylists here. So the 6s are done. And sticky on both sides is tricky. So we'll see. Gotta keep going. Y'all forgot to tell me to put on my diamonds for the diamond painting, y'all. Why'd y'all forget to tell me that? So this is the stylus with the light on it from Hobby Lobby, but I want to try out this tip because I love this because you don't have to move your wrist as much. And as you can see, it lights up. So did I do the 6s already? Yes, I did. Darn it. Okay, hold on. So let's talk strategy again. Because this is the number 1, and I'm actually going to keep this out so I know that this is number 1. There were a lot of drills in the number 1 because we're doing 4 and they all have the same numbers. So I think that I am going to, if I could pick this up, I think I am going to attack all of them at once with the same number. So when I get done doing the 1s front and back for this, I will do the 1s front and back for these other 3 while I have these drills poured out into 3 trays. This is when having multiple trays is a good thing. And I've seen people use all kinds of different trays and bigger trays and all the things. So I just got it poured out in 3, and I think I am just going to tackle all the numbers one by one. But what I want to do is try this because I like this nozzle. So I'm going to go over 1 here. See, do I like that? Got a little wax on there. And I just take it off with that. I do like this nozzle. I think I want to get another one with the metal version of this instead of plastic. So you can see that light as you're placing the diamond. So I'm going to keep going with the 1s for all of these. So just a quick check-in. I've already used 1 whole tray of the number 1s drills that I opened, the red ones, and I've gotten 3 front and back ornaments done with that color. I still have to do the 4th one, which has the largest number of number 1s, and then I should be done with that number. I've been using this, but this is just not comfortable. I love this tip, but this handle's just not comfortable. So, and I also noticed the wax kind of slides down and doesn't pick up the drills as better. So I was like kind of moving the wax up to pick up the drills the way I wanted to. So I am going to go ahead and switch over to one of the ergonomic handles. And my hands are like sweating, they're slippery. So this would be a better grip. I am buying a kit that has the little thin needle to clean out the wax from the tubes. So I'll show that one whenever I get it, but I think I'm going to switch back to this one and probably eventually to this one, which is my favorite one. Both of these are from Hobby Lobby. But it's going pretty quickly. But this is definitely a process with this front and back diamond painting. It's going to kind of make me hesitant to get another front and back keychain kit. I'm glad I am experiencing this with a $4 kit. So, which was less than $4 because it was 40% off. So I'm going to keep going, but I'm not sure if this is something like that I would want to do again. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Y'all, so I finally finished all 4 ornaments, and you can see how they're glistening in the sun here. These were not easy. The numbers were very small. The where you had to place the diamonds was very intricate. This was probably one of the hardest ones right here. There were 2 levels of clear drills. You might be able to better see it without the sunlight, but there were 2 levels of clear drills, a bigger one and a smaller one, and that got complex. These were front and back. I don't think I'm going to be doing a lot of front and back keychains. I did place an order for some very cool keychains that I'll share later, and they are front and back, but I'll probably be in no rush to do them. These were kind of a step up from all of the other diamond painting kits that I've done, but as you can see here, I have finished all of my kits for my fun beach weekend. So this was basically 8 because it was each side. And then we have the 5 belows that I completed that are glistening in the sun here. And we have the keychains and the turtle. So I'm actually going to put glue on the ornaments. I sealed all of these other ones and they look fantastic with the glue. So look at that. They look fantastic in that sunlight. But I'm going to seal these so they can cure, and then these are acrylic, a little heavier weight. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these ornaments, you see that little hole right there, I'm going to link these ornaments on this keychain as well and continue my keychain. These were only $3 something at Hobby Lobby because they were on sale during the time I got them, and the price is great for everything that I've been buying. Look at that in the sun, y'all. These would make really cute purse charms too. So I'm just going to link everything on a keychain and I can do separate things with them later. I'm glad that I finished. This was the most tedious. This made me concentrate the most. And it was definitely a level up as far as difficulty. But I got it done. I'm very proud of it. Yeah, I don't know I don't know if double-sided keychains are going to be my thing. These were intense. And I wanted to finish all of them in one swoop because they used the same color. So when I poured out the drill, I did each color, I did each number for every single one so that I could use the drills and then put the drills away. Because I didn't want to have to go back to another drill color, if that makes sense. So it was intense. It took me a few hours. I don't even know how many hours because I just didn't even look at the clock. I was just trying to finish it. And I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my beach day now. But if you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and put some hearts in the comments. Yeah, I've enjoyed this diamond painting marathon. And I will be taking a lengthy little break from diamond painting for the next few days for sure, till I get my strength back up to do this again. But I have really enjoyed it, and I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you real soon. Bye. Say bye to the beach, guys.